So it's been a couple days since I've last vlogged. It's just because we've been doing the same thing that I've done at home here. It's not that I mind. I don't mind. I like staying at home. Home is where the fun is at. So today my aunt came over. We went to her house Thursday. So she came over today, which is Saturday. And we went out to buy Popeyes, and now we're going to eat Popeyes. I'm like, at this point, all you guys see is me eating. So why not continue that trend and let's eat together. Let's just watch my mouth move while I eat Popeyes. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a fan of Popeyes. I'm more of a KFC fan or a Burger King fan. But Popeyes, I just feel their chicken is too dry. So I'm going outside.
See, when did that?
I'm gonna eat mashed potato.
You know what I mean?
Just the bread. Bagel? That makes sense to me. What? Why is there a hole in the bread?
What?
Why is there a hole in the bread? It's basically a donut without all the sweetness. That makes no sense.
So now I'm doing have sweetness in you know?
You only donut with the sweetness. You can't find leg and ribs.
Oh, this way? Not like this. Oh, wait. Oh,
you really don't know them.
Why am I not eat only?
Yeah, tell you also to eat bread.
Maple syrup and bread tastes nice.
I'll put honey in there.
The sweet things
You want honey for yours?
Where the honey for
that tastes good.
How the hell you gonna know?
Just little bit. Alright. When in the Kayla do I think your loud voice coming there?
I'm right here.
Go on mute, man. Go on mute.
I'm right here.
It's honey. If you have a honey farm and you get the bee honey, a bee farm you get the honey, that's good. So you make one around there? Make what? Bees? No, let's tell him it won't have any additional sugar.
It is still not sweet.
You might still sweet, but you know, no additional sugar. But if you couldn't take out it drinks.
I'll have Berlin say falling.
You never see when she go in there. And mama, they never used to carry me to the doctor, you forget? They used to give me bush tea. Me say they could give some bush tea, everything. Every remedy, a bush tea.
The Popeyes up here tastes better than the one in Jamaica. The one in Jamaica dry.
Oh, this one juicy.
It have taste.
You know some else with? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, what one? Oh, 70, 76, 77, that's true. 105. You better go fair or school. So Kayla, when you finish this?
Anytime I put a piece on the table.
Hey, I'll put it out tomorrow.
I'm gonna leave a little bit for you.
When you in there now? Come on.
Maybe I didn't drink caffeine juice.
I drink it. Oh, feed you.
We're gonna get the chance to bully daddy, you know, so I have to bully him.
Yeah.
Cause when him ready, bully me too.
Look, I'm bully you.
Daddy will be outside in the living room and me there on the bed. Kayla, come turn out the light.
What do you think me have ever?
Hey.
Work, you want to be there.
You never asked to come here, sir.
Yeah, she do it.
Hello, today is Sunday and I went to church. Church is a place where I should feel comfortable worshiping God, and I did feel comfortable there. It made me feel so welcome. It reminded me of my church back home. So I had a nice, lovely service. I enjoyed everything about the church, and now we're back home and we're going to Walmart. Oh, this one hot.
That's like, I don't know where you're
By the time I go back in there, so yeah, cool again.
I think one more time.
Ooh. want it?
I'm going to eat it.
You want to help me eat it? See that daddy offer to help me eat it. And you cannot just say want some. Just want to
Little bit. It was cool up quick.
Yeah, that's why I like it because it cool up quick.
I mean hot chocolate.
Chocolate and a chocolate. Right now, if you want like the hot chocolate, you can make cheese, the hot cocoa.
Oh.
We don't like that. And a chocolate.
Because of tea. When I like tea. Everything I buy chocolate. Chocolate biscuit. Chocolate cake, chocolate sweet thing.
That's why you love Oreo.
Oh yeah, the doctor says because of chocolate, I get headaches often.
Oh. You know, say something when I saw you.
Yeah, only when I'm gonna sun my head hurt me.
So maybe this one cost again.
She said the next time I come, I must do a brain scan. That's time I never go back. More tired.
Cookie.
He's so yummy. Oh, how we doing?
Alright, so this is 3 weeks.
Nah, I could just...